Hello, welcome to this video. You will be learning the formula of the law of attraction. To begin with, I want to make clear that it's not like a specific and a fixed formula for every single human being in the planet. It can be different for some people and it can have less steps, more steps, but in general it's about the same idea. Number one, work on your subconscious mind. In order to have a positive mind, a rich mind, you need to work daily on your subconscious mind. Our subconscious mind allowed us to do things without thinking, like for example breathing. Most of the time we are focusing on what we don't want. We have poor thinking, asking for so little, thinking that there is not enough, and that is because our limiting belief system is kind of controlling our subconscious, or is located in our subconscious, and that is why we have this mentality. Hence, the idea is that you reprogram your subconscious mind, making it work 24/7 on your favor, and for that you need to access to it. And how you do it? Very simple. You just need to close your eyes and go within. Try to do this as much as you can, and ideally make a fixed time where you go to do this exercise. Also, another very good way to reprogram our subconscious is by shifting your inner voice. Just be aware of your inner talking by using a rich language from prosperity and abundance, from love, from the best things life has to offer you. Step 2, believe it. Trust. This is crucial. When you believe it, when you trust, that means you are ready to make the impossible become possible. This concept of believing is found at the base of various philosophies and religions for so many years ago, and basically is the baseline of coaching. However, most of the people, they don't believe in themselves. They don't trust in their inner power. They don't believe in anything, which can impact tremendously their achievements in life. Trust. When you trust, you get what you want. As simple as that. First, try to trust in yourself. Very important. Also, trust in the universe, but believe that there is a powerful source that creates everything we see and that is working on your favor because you are a good person, so that source is on your favor. Believe it. Number 3, go for it. Take action. I always include this step when working with personal growth. I believe this is the root of everything and anything, because as simple as if you don't take action, you will never ever see results. And this applies for anything in life. You need to take daily steps, even if you think they are so little that they don't count, or even if you think no, this won't make difference, or even if you think I start tomorrow because one day more, one day less, it doesn't make any difference. It does make difference. You need to work every single day, taking step by step. Doesn't matter the size of the step, just work on it daily, take action, and then you will reach, definitely you will reach the top of your goal. And of course, this includes not just taking physical action, going for it, doing actions, but also take action, changing your thoughts, changing your words, praying, connecting with the universe, with the Lord of the universe, taking inner action from your heart, from your subconscious, plus of course actions. If you do so, you will see how everything you wish, you want, your desires become true. Thank you so much for watching this video and making this world a better world. Please subscribe, share, comment, and thumbs up. Until next time, universal blessings.